Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to explain few details about the range function. In Python, range is a function which accepts three parameters that are start, stop and step. These are the three parameters accepted by the range function. This range function returns some list of elements that can be used in the for loops for iteration purpose. In this, two parameters are optional. Here the start is a parameter, one is optional, and step is another parameter. This is also optional. We can take some examples of each type. For example, if I take range of 6, what is the meaning of this? This function returns some sequence of elements. In this, I am giving only one parameter. If I give only one parameter, this parameter acts as a stop parameter. That means up to 5, the list of elements will be printed. Now I have not given the start number here. By default, the start number will be taken as 0 here. So if I execute, it will be taken as range of 0, 6. This range function contains some list of elements. If you want to see what are the elements inside this range, you can typecast it with the help of list or tuple. If I write list of range of 6, then this contains some elements starting from 0 ending with 5. What is the meaning of range of 6 here? This 6 is act as a stop. In the range function, this stop or end will be excluded. That means this 6 value will not be presented in the output. For example, if I take range of 10, this 10 will be act as a stop or end. This 10 will be excluded in the list of elements. So the final list contains the elements from 0 to 9. If you want to see this, you can write list of range of 10. Now you can see the elements. Always the ending number or stop number will be excluded in the range function. If I want 10 also, then you have to write something like this, range of 11. If you write like this, 11 will be excluded from the list. So then you have a list of elements from 0 to 10. So this is one example in which the range function accepts only one parameter. If I give range of 0, 6, this is equal to this one. By default, the range function will take the start value as 0. So then it will consider as range of 0, 6. If you want to see this, you can typecast it list of 0, 6. This range contains 0 to 5. For example, if I give list of range of 10, 20. This is a list of elements. The starting number here is 10. If I don't give the starting number, by default it will take from 0. In this example, I am giving the starting number 10. Up to ending number or stop number here is 20. So this list contains elements from 10 to 19. Why 19 here? 20 is a end that will be excluded in the range function. You can say here, 10, 20. Now this contains 10 to 19. If I give list of range of 50, 70. If I give like this, the starting number is 50, ending number is 70. Starting number is included in the list, ending number is excluded in the list. So that the list contains 50 to 69. If you observe here, every number is having a difference of 1. That means we have another parameter in the range function, that is the third one, step count. what is the difference between the first number and second number. If you don't give this step count, by default the step count will be 1 here. 50, 51, 52 and so on. If you want list of range of 50, 70, 2. If I give like this is a starting number 50, this is a ending number, step count is here 2. If you don't give this, by default the step count will be 1. Now I am giving the step count is 2 here. Start from 50 and end to 70, difference is 2 here. So if you observe the output, you can see 50, 52 and so on up to 68. The next step count is actually 70. 70 is a, now we will take some more examples on this. I want the list of elements starting from 1 to 10. For this you can write list of range of 1, 10. If I want the elements from 1 to 10 means we have to give 1, 11. So then you will get the range of elements. If similarly I want the odd numbers from 1 to 20, then I will use list of 1, 21, step, 2. If I want the even numbers, then you can start with 0 up to 20, then step count is 2. So then you will get the even numbers. You can not only use this step count as a positive number, you can also use this as a negative number. List of range of 100, 80, minus 2. What is the meaning of this? The starting number is 100, ending number is 80, minus 2 is a step count. That means decrement 2 at a time. You can see here 100, 98, 96 and so on up to 82. We are not getting 80. Why? Because end number is excluded in the list of values. Similarly, if I want the odd numbers 101, 50, minus 2. If I give like this, you will get the odd numbers in reverse direction from 101 to 51. Here the list is only for our representation only, but in the case of for loops, you no need to mention the type casting. For example, if I want to print the numbers from 1 to 10 using range function. For this you have to use for the variable name I, in operator, range of 11. If I give range of 11, what is the meaning? It is 0 to 10. For this print of I. So this is an indentation. You will get the range of values from 0 to 10. How this code is executed? For I, it is a iterative variable. Range of 11 is a list of values contains 0 to 10. Every time one value will be printed. These are some details about the range function. We can use this range function in the for loops for iterations purpose. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. Thank you for watching.